Tanya baby, you're so hot, are you ready for round 2?
Ooh David, you're so hot, and full of stamina, let's get it on lover boy.
Oh Tanya, you're so sexy, and you're sweeter than honey, I can eat you all night long.
David, I'm all yours. Come here you, naughty boy. Sam, wait.
I'm sorry man, I didn't know Tanya had a boyfriend.
Get the hell out of my freaking house now before I break every bone in your scrawny body.
Tanya, don't you ever call me again.
Get out now.
I'm leaving, don't hit me again please.
It's not what you think, Sam.
Do I look freaking blind to you, Tanya? Get all your belongings and get permanently lost.
Ooh, I'm sorry, it's just I was bored, and I felt lonely, and you.
Are you even hearing yourself, Tanya? You sound really dumb. Get the hell out now, Tanya, before I do something you'll regret.
Okay, I'm leaving. But just for your information, David is a better lover. He knows how to handle a real woman.
David, accustomed with little girls like you, he wouldn't know what a real woman is. I'm not going to repeat myself anymore. Get the hell out of my freaking house now, and don't leave anything behind, or consider it burnt and dump.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Hey Sam, are you alright bro?
Hi Jason, I finally ended things with Tanya. You wouldn't believe what that skunk of a girl did.
What happened Sam?
I went home early from a hard day's work to see Tanya and some guy kissing and making
What the hell?
out. I heard talking about doing a second round. That's when I saw red. I hit the boy some slaps and I told Tanya get packing. And she's like, boo, it's not what you think. She was lonely and bored. Man, I'd tell her to get the hell out of my freaking house. You know, the girl have the audacity to look me in the eyes and said, David is a better lover and knows how to deal with a real woman.
That ungrateful, cheating wrench.
Yes, she is very unfreaking grateful. Good riddance to trash.
I absolutely agree brother, you deserve better. You deserve the best Sam.
You know, surprisingly, I felt a huge load come off my shoulders, and such a relief. That girl has been a thorn in my ass.
Still Sam, I'm sorry things didn't work out for you both.
Thanks Jason, I wasted so much time on a girl that didn't deserve my love. The only thing that hurts is the fact that I can't get back my years wasted.
Yeah, I know exactly what you mean. I think that's many people regrets when a relationship or marriage has ended.
For real, it's pretty sad.
Hang in there friend, be strong and don't let Tanya stop you from finding true love.
Never. Now I'm going to look even harder till I find my soulmate.
That's the spirit.
Thanks Jason, I really needed to talk it out.
Well, that's what I'm here for. You're my best friend and brother. I'm here for you anytime you need me. Love you brother.
Love you too brother. Jason, thanks for everything, but I have to go. I have a meeting early in the morning. See you soon.
Okay Sam, see you later, and don't hesitate to call me.
I'll call you later.
Hi Sam, how are you doing?
I'm doing okay, considering what I've been through. With that girl Tanya, I'm doing much better.
I'm really happy to hear that Sam.
Thanks Jason.
No problem brother.
Hey, what about your date last week, with the white chick? What's her name again?
You don't have to label her Sam, her name is Chloe, and it wasn't a date, it was just an invitation to her art gallery.
Wow brother, I meant no offense, I'm sorry about that.
I know you didn't mean it to sound the way it did. I'm sorry I blew up on you. I really like Chloe and I just don't want anyone labeling her, so I guess I'm a little protective of her.
Jason, you don't ever have to apologize for standing up for what's right. I'm sorry about that, it won't happen again. I should have known better, especially knowing how discrimination can be.
Apology accepted. Anyway, the visit to the art gallery was amazing. And Chloe was wonderful. After visiting, we talked and said goodnight with a kiss.
Wow, I'm really happy for you, Jason. So are you seeing her again?
Yes, I asked her out on an official date Friday.
That's wonderful news. Brother, I'm truly happy for you and wishing you the best.
Thank you Sam. I really like Chloe, she's really special to me, we have so much in common.
That's wonderful Jason. What's wrong Jason?
I'm really looking forward to our date, Friday.
What's bugging you, Jason?
I'm falling for Chloe.
Wow, in such a short time.
I know it's a little too early, but I can't help how I feel.
Well, I'm happy for you. That's what they call love at first sight, so why the long face?
Well, the thing is, Chloe usually go back and forth from Europe to Italy. I don't know if our relationship would go any further. I'm in trouble, brother, because I've fallen for Chloe that very first night we met at my sister's house.
I see your point, and understand how you feel, bro. You just need to be honest and open up to Chloe.
You're right, Sam, but what if Chloe doesn't feel the same way?
Jason.
What if I scare her away, and then she never comes back to Milan, because it's too awkward for us to be in the same space?
Jason, calm down, brother. It's going to be okay. You're overthinking too much. Yeah, take a deep breath.
Thanks, Sam, I needed that.
I'm here for you, brother. Now do you want my advice?
Yeah, bro, I'll appreciate it.
Alright, first of all, when are you taking Chloe out? This Friday or next week Friday?
This Friday, that's the day after tomorrow.
No, Jason, today is Friday, bro.
No, today is Wednesday.
Jason, look at your phone, look for your calendar.
I'm looking and today is Friday.
It's okay, calm down. What time do you have to pick her up or meet her?
At 8.
Well, you still got an hour.
Thank God, I honestly thought today was Wednesday. Thanks for pointing that out. What would I do without you?
You'll do just fine, but I'm always here for you. God spare life.
Thanks, Sam.
Jason, you really need to go on a vacation soon. You really need a break. You're overworking yourself. You're even forgetting the days of the week. That's really sad.
Ha, I know, Sam. I'll try.
Okay, time is going. My advice to you, when you go on your first official date with Chloe, ask questions. Ask her if she is seeing anyone. Ask if she was to date someone or you in Milan. If she will be willing to stay here or what she will do in a situation like that. Then according to her answer, if she's willing to have a relationship and make the sacrifices, then you can tell her how you truly feel about her.
That's really great advice, brother. You're wise beyond your years. Thank you, Sam.
Anytime, brother. Now, I have a serious question for you.
Go on ahead, Sam.
If the situation with Chloe either staying in Milan or staying in Milan, Italy, if it was that you had to make the choice, would you be willing to go to Europe and live with Chloe there, or would you end the relationship because you won't take the risk?
Wow, that's an excellent question. If Chloe wants us to have a relationship, it doesn't matter where we are as long as we're together. I will definitely go wherever she decided to live.
Well, that's a great answer, Jason. You don't have a problem at all, so don't worry about it.
Sam, you really are a wonderful friend and brother. Thank you.
I can say the same about you, brother. Now go home and get ready for your date. Best of luck to you, Jason.
Yeah, I should go. Thanks again. See you later. Wow, Chloe, you look absolutely gorgeous tonight, and the hairstyle, really beautiful.
Thank you, Jason, and you look really handsome.
Thank you, Chloe. Well, our table is ready. Let's have a seat.
After you. This place is really beautiful.
Only the best for you, Chloe.
Thank you, Jason.
Are you ready to order?
Let me check the menu. Oh, this is interesting. Spaghetti and pepper shrimp in garlic sauce.
Wow, that's my favorite. Have you ever had that dish before?
No, actually, but I really love spicy foods.
Well, you're a woman after my heart. I love spicy foods also.
Wow, that's really good to know.
Whilst we wait, I'll really like to ask you, Chloe, are you seeing anyone?
Yes, I'm seeing someone. He's so handsome and hot and very interesting, and he's so ambitious.
Oh well, that's great. For you, I can't say I'm.
Jason, you know him.
I know him. What's his name?
Ha, it's you, silly.
Ha, you really got me there. Wait, you think I'm hot?
Don't you know how hot you are? Jason, you're a really hot and handsome guy. I'm so happy I've got you all to myself. I hope you're not seeing anyone else.
No, I'm not seeing anyone else. I'm free, single and disengaged. I'm all yours, Chloe, if you'll have me.
I'm happy to hear that. I want you, Jason.
Chloe, I'm so happy to hear that, because I want you too. Chloe, do you really want us to have a serious relationship, you know, boyfriend and girlfriend, and maybe marriage sometime in the future? What do you really want with us?
I really like you, Jason. You're very straightforward and honest.
Thank you, Chloe.
Well, the very first day I saw you, I never stopped thinking about you, and I couldn't wait to see you again. Jason, you're an amazing man and I would love to see you every day if possible. Yes, I'm interested in us having a relationship, and who knows, one day in the near future, we can get married and have kids of our own.
I'm so happy you want the same thing, Chloe.
I'm so happy too, Jason.
I'm so relieved, because Chloe, I know this might sound crazy, but from the very first day I saw you I really liked you so much, and on that very day, I met your invitation to your wonderful art gallery, then it was confirmed to me.
What's that, Jason?
That I'm truly fallen for you.
Oh Jason, I've fallen in love with you too. I'm so happy, you feel the same way too.
You have made me the happiest man in the world. I love you, Chloe.
I love you too, Jason.
This is crazy, right? We haven't really known each other for long and yet, we feel this way about each other.
Well then, we're both crazy in love. We're just two young adults that knows what they want and need, and is making every moment that life offers us a chance of true love and happiness, and we're taking it.
Chloe, that's one of the things I love about you. You're a really awesome and beautiful lady. You're so beautiful inside and out. I'm so lucky to have you.
Thank you, Jason. You're a really beautiful person and a very strong and loving man. I'm lucky to have you.
Well, dinner is served.
Wow, this looks so delicious.
Enjoy.
I really had a wonderful night with you, Jason. And dinner was really delicious.
I'm really glad you enjoyed it.
And the dancing. Wow, you have some really great moves, Jason.
Well, do you like this one?
Ha 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 ha, Jason, you're so funny.
You have some really great moves too, very hot.
Well, I'm full of surprises.
I love surprises.
Well, one day, I'll show you my special moves.
I'll wait for you, Chloe, as long as it takes.
Thank you, Jason.
I'll do anything for you, Chloe. You're worth the wait, love.
You're so sweet, Jason.